everyone, welcome to my channel Just Shine. Today I will be showing how to make chicken biryani, one of everyone's favorite ever. So let's get started with the ingredients first. First, for the marination, take a bowl with half kg of chicken and add 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chilli powder and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix it well and keep it aside. Let it set for 15 to 20 minutes. For making biryani, soak coriander leaf, mint leaf and fenugreek leaves in a water with little salt. Also soak 1 glass of rice in a vessel and keep it aside. And now take a pressure cooker, add a teaspoon of ghee and 3 to 4 teaspoon of oil. Then add all spices like cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and pepper. Meanwhile, add green chilies and onions. Saute it nicely. When onions turn brown in color, add ginger garlic paste, mix it once, then add tomatoes, fry it for 2 minutes. Add little salt, saute it nicely. Then add chopped coriander, mint and fenugreek leaves, saute it nicely. When masala gets mashed, add teaspoon of turmeric powder and teaspoon of red chilli powder and mix it nicely. Now add marinated chicken. Cover the lid for 5 to 7 minutes. Now open the lid and mix it once. Finally add soaked rice. And also add a teaspoon of lemon juice. And add 2 glasses of water. Mix it gently. When rice start boiling, close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. There you have a delicious and easy way of cooking chicken biryani. Hope you all enjoyed this jaw-dropping video. Please try, taste and share your experience with us in the comment section below. Enjoy chicken biryani. Keep shining.